I made my decision and I'm going to be opening the Best Buy exclusive steelbook of Avengers Endgame. These puppies sold out quick. So if you got your hands on one, leave me a comment down below saying you got one. But yeah, Avengers Endgame, it's a good movie. Seen it with my dad. Oh, what a good movie. To me, I think this is better than Infinity War and all the other MCU movies, but if you want to pause this, you can read about the movie right there. The Blu-ray special features. Ooh, gag reel. I would like to watch that. And the 4K disc, which don't have bonus extras. And it's PG-13. So yeah. But like I said, this movie was amazing. I hope this will get Oscar nominations because Black Panther won some Oscars, so this one might win some Oscars. So yeah, on the top of J card it says only at Best Buy, Avengers Endgame limited edition collectible steelbook, and we get a product shot. So I'm just gonna open it very quickly and give you my thoughts. All right, let's get to it. Okay. My part of me wanted to keep it in packaging because one, I was going to get a standard 4K release, but at the same time, the anticipation was killing me to open this bad boy. So yeah. But on the top of the J card, it says the same thing, 4K Ultra HD, Blu-ray plus digital copy, which if you're watching this, the digital copy has already been redeemed, so yeah. Ooh, nice artwork. Has all the Avengers on here, pretty nice. Of course, we've seen the back of the J card already. Let's pop this off very quickly. Ooh. Strong glue that, but that's fine. And here's the back of the steelbook with the fadeaway A, because if you know what happened in Infinity War. And these are the people that got the snapped/dead. Yeah. Like I said, I'm happy to own this. I missed out on Infinity War's retailer release last year, but I'm glad to own this. It comes with the digital copy, and it comes with the ooh, the Blu-ray disc is hard to get off. It comes with your standard Blu-ray with Tony Stark on there. Focus. Your 4K disc. And your Blu-ray bonus material. Then on the inside, sad artwork from the movie. Robert Downey Jr.'s signature right there. And Scarlett Johansson's signature. The two saddest deaths in this movie that made me kind of tear up. Avengers Endgame is a good movie. Here's the the back spine and the front. Yeah, I would recommend anyone to pick this up, especially if you're steelbook fans and collectors like me. I will pick this up. What do you think of Avengers Endgame? Is it a movie you'll watch every time or most of the time? Comment that down below and let me know who is your favorite Avenger. Alright, well, that's it for the steelbook unboxing. Now I'm going to see you guys later. Take care.